In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy S4 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the volume up button, the home button, and the power button all at the same time. You need to continue to hold down all of the buttons until the phone vibrates. Once the phone vibrates, you can then let go of all of the buttons. Okay. Okay, now using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Now press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes, Delete All User Data. Now press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.